Well, hello again from Hanover. I'm here with Torey of HighByte. So Torey, welcome to IoT World channel.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, so give us some insights. What is industrial data ops, and put in the context of how does it support sustainable manufacturing?
Yeah, absolutely. So data ops or data operations is the process of automating as much about your data as you can to clean, prepare, and contextualize that data so that it can be used in a variety of different applications. And the way that data ops plays into sustainability really is that there's sort of the more obvious use cases that might happen in a manufacturing environment where you're improving efficiency, you're measuring emissions, you're collecting data from many sources in order to be able to do that. But there's also the element of digital sustainability, right? So you might be collecting a ton of data. If you're moving a terabyte of data from most factories every day into the cloud, that's a considerable pressure on carbon footprint that's seen in data centers. So being more strategic about the data that you move to the cloud to ensure that it's fit for purpose can help manufacturers reduce their digital waste, and that's an important componentability of sustainability.
Thank you for that, Torey. And there's a lot of data coming from whether it's you push it from a PLC into HMI into a historian.
Correct.
And it's probably way too many data sources, but how do you standardize, how do you streamline it in such a way that when you send it to the cloud, it supports sustainability initiatives?
Yeah, it's a great question. We always tell customers to start with their use case. So whether that's predictive asset maintenance or emissions reduction or improving first pass yield, starting with that intention in mind and then understanding what data you're going to need in order to fulfill that use case, what are those data sources, and starting to be very strategic about the data that you collect. And so, our solution enables, HighByte Intelligence Hub enables customers to collect just the data they need, run that data through contextualization and standardize that data into models before it's passed along to end applications in the cloud.
Thanks. If you'd like to join the conversation, feel free to leverage the hashtag below and check out the announcement that HighByte and Deloitte and Element had just earlier this week at Hanover.
Yeah, thank you.